Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another edition of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. We are in sunny Santa Ana, California today, and it is really warm. I don't know why I'm wearing this jacket because it's actually like 80 degrees, I think, right now. Anyway, we are here at the Goodwill Marketplace, home of 3 different Goodwill stores. There's the Goodwill Outlet, the regular Goodwill, and the Goodwill Computer Works, which is the computer store that I absolutely adore. It's where I got my watch, my Apple Watch, and my laptop. But anyway, let's go inside and check it out. Almost forgot, if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But now, without further ado, let's head into the store right now. Check it out. So you guys, they have a 27-inch iMac. Amazing. So I'm looking at the gear. Orange tags, I guess, are half off today, which is awesome. Oh, look at these. Okay, I'm gonna get these for the kids. These are pretty cool. Let's see what other goodies they have here today. They always have like an abundance of computer screens. A lot of this stuff I have no clue what it is, to be honest. Wonder if they have any keyboards. Microsoft, Dell, Lenovo. Whoa, you guys, check out these Canon printers. They're $100. They don't come with the ink, but I mean, you buy those separately anyway, but you need a ton of ink. But they're like $150 off. I think the cheapest one I found was $250, and yeah, it's a good deal. And there's no tax on these either. They also have these Epson. Okay, so I got a couple things from the computer store. I just dropped them off in the car, and now we're gonna head over to the regular store and see what they have inside. Or does this have like the little Ferragamo lock on the front? Cross and barrel. So we're looking through the handbags first. Oh, remember how I found the Alexander Wang? Like a lot of like bag makers kind of copy that look. Forever 21 did it, I believe, or was it? I don't remember. I think it was like one of like Forever 21 or something similar to that. Forever 21. Look at this. Kind of like Longchampish. Made in Italy for Bloomingdale's, $25. What is this? Forever 21. We've got a Coach right here. Bright red. Isaac Mizrahi. Oh, is this a... This looks kind of like a Michael Kors or something. Oh, it is a Michael Kors. 20 bucks. Oh, let's inspect this further. This one's not too bad. And it still has a long strap and everything. Hey guys, check it out. It's actually not too bad. So I actually think I'm going to get this. Pleasantly surprised. I haven't found a pretty good bag here in a little bit. So okay, I'm going to hold on to this. Let's check out what else they have. This bag actually kind of looks like the leather feels nice. I like this, like the strap on it. Elliot Luca? It is an Elliot Luca. $9 bucks. Okay, let's check this out. Actually, not too bad. It's kind of cute. It says the EL on the back. Okay, we're gonna think about this. I'm gonna hold on to it. 2 bags already. Hot dog. Okay, so I think I saw this here last time. It's a lead skin, $7.99, but it's missing the crossbody strap and it has a bunch of stains on it. Oh my gosh, this kind of looks like a Marc Jacobs bag, but it's candy. It's leather. A little Fossil bag right here. There's a lot of color transfer on it. There's this Therealreal bag. I like the color of the green. I love green colored handbags for some reason. What's this guy? Oh, the sack. 18 Agner. Hey, this is a Coach. How much is this guy going for? Alright, we got $20 for this one. I would get it if the fibers weren't so rough. So I think I'm going to pass on this one. Unfortunately, it is super cute though, and I do love the color combination. But those natural fiber bags, like unless they're in perfect condition, I usually pass on them because I don't want them to wear further. Oops. Oh my gosh, this little pinata bag. I think this is a Target one, but I think Kate Spade also did one of those, which was super cute. Oh, here we got another B. Makowski. This one's in a, like a lavender color. Let's see if we can get it. Look at this. Oh, there's like a, yeah, it looks like they got like a bleach or something on it. How much are they asking for it? No price. They have a ton of these Hearth and Hand little lanterns. They're $4 each. And they have a lot of these apple cider vinegars, the Brags, for $3 each. I remember I got a huge box of them once at another Goodwill. Checking out what's inside the case. They have like 360 glasses, Cards Against Humanity, some fancy scissors, iPhone cases. I found a friend's sweater. How old is this? Alright, let's take a look at the art and stuff, see if they have any cool mirrors or anything. Don't see. Oh my gosh, I remember they had this at another store. And it was also expensive. Blimey, $35 here too. Looking at the vases and stuff now. They have a lot of Christmas stuff. Look at those garlands. Ninjago Legos. This is kind of like a cool like picture vase. Oh, it's from Target, Project 62. Looking through the mugs. Okay, this is cool, it looks like wood. Handmade USA pottery. That's really pretty. Morning Handsome from Target. Ooh, pretty. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see that? It says Tiffany and Co. I think these are the ones that I have. You guys, I'm literally shaking. I can't believe I found another one of these. Okay, I'm shook. I think I'm gonna have to get this, right? Obviously. And it's only $2.99. I have to look around the store for another one. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Hey, they have these Moana doll things. How much are these? Alright, it's a little pricey, 30 bucks. Please tell me this is a blanket. That's probably a tree skirt. I'm still on the hunt for another one of these guys. But checking out the rest of the store. I always like to look at the end of the fixtures too, because people drop off stuff here a lot. Those are from Target. There's a toy axe. Some Rapunzel stuff. What is this? A power juicer? Alright, let's see what kind of gadgets we have. Sometimes they have like new box electronics. Look at that glass Christmas tree. That is really pretty. Where was that last Christmas? Wonder what this is. Made in Italy, over and back. How stinking cute is this little fish thing? Is it like a teapot? So cute. This table. I like the design on it. What else do we have? Oh, they have more of these like silver tree trunks. They have one of these marble tables. This one's 30 bucks. How much are these guys? They're so expensive. 40 bucks. Yikes. Look at this. That's epic looking. Should I get this cushion mat? Oh, 7 bucks. I think I will. These curtain rods? Oh, they are curtain rods. Curtain rods. Yonanas. Turkey fryer. Ooh, Little Tykes Build-A-House. Cute. So much stuff. Check that out. Hey guys, there's at the store. Let's go home and I'll show you guys what I got. Hey guys, okay, so it's a couple days later and I'm super excited to share with you guys what I did end up getting from the Goodwill. And let me start off. I didn't really get too much, but the things that I did get, I think, are super duper awesome. And okay, I just have to tell you that my life is now complete. I have completed the mission of trying to achieve a goal that I set for myself with thrifting. And if you guys have followed this channel for a while, I have been collecting anthropology mugs in different letters in the same style. And I have finally done it, and I can now spell out my whole name. I could have before, but it got lost. The mug. It was not lost, but broken and then thrown away. So now I can finally spell my entire name. What a momentous occasion. I am so excited. You can all breathe a collective sigh of relief. It's so sweet that a lot of you guys have been so invested in this journey. A couple of you guys have actually sent me certain letter mugs, have given me mugs when you've seen me, and it's like so, like, I cannot believe how, like, how amazing and sweet everyone, like all of you guys are. Honestly, like, it's just so crazy. And I have just been so fortunate in this whole thing with YouTube and everything that I've got to meet so many of you guys in person, in stores while we're out thrifting. And I could not be more excited, happy, thankful. I can't even explain it. So it's so cool. And you know what, like, it's not me that found, I think we all found this mug. Because I feel like our collective positive energy and putting this out there has allowed this mug to come into my life. And yeah, so it is now here. I can't believe it. And the only upsetting thing is that this was when the whole, like, my SD card was, like, on the fritz. And it, like, would randomly not record or save certain files into the SD card, and the moment that I found this was actually one of the ones that were deleted. It was this, and then, like, another major one was when I gave my mom that gift. So I don't know what's wrong, but I got a new SD card. We're okay. But it's okay because now this mug is here. You guys are seeing it, and we are gonna spell out my name, and it's gonna be fantastic. So we did it, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm, like, flushed because I'm so happy. I'm, like, turning red. Okay, the next thing I was very, very, very excited about as well, because I found 2 of these before in the past at the same time, and it was an amazing deal. I got them for actually, I think, $14 for the pair. I found another one. This is a Crystal Tiffany & Co. Candlestick holder. Oh my gosh. So I have 2 of these already. Now I have a 3rd one. I am so excited, you guys. These are so gorgeous. I love them so much. It's just a little dirty. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. But, I mean, $2.99. you guys. I'm so happy and so excited. So I can't believe I found this. It was just sitting in the plate section of all places. So I mean, this trip, even though I didn't get much, has like fulfilled so many things in my life. Is that ridiculous? I don't know. And like, I thank you to everyone that has been like into Marie Kondo and just giving away things that they no longer that no longer bring them joy, because they are certainly bringing me joy. Like this beautiful candlestick holder, and especially this beautiful mug from Anthropology. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. I feel like I'm giving an Oscar speech before a thrifted item. But honestly though, this is, I mean, come on. It was just really cool. So I'm just very excited about that. Oh, also, when we went to this store, it's the one that has a computer store, the Goodwill, and the Goodwill outlet. I did go to the computer store, and I did also end up getting a remote control. I believe it was a GameCube remote, and it's for the kids' Nintendo Switch, because my brother has a converter for the remotes. So I picked another one of those up. I actually want to get another one for myself, because I actually like playing on that remote better. So that was $9.99, so I did end up getting the clear one. If I remember, I'm going to insert the photo. Otherwise, I'm sorry. I showed it in the video earlier. So yeah, I'm probably going to go back sometime next week to get myself another remote, because I really like playing with those remotes instead. Especially when playing Super Smash Brothers, because that Super Smash Brothers tournaments have been intense. We play like a little tournament like every night. Like that's how invested we are in this game. But it's a lot of fun. I haven't really played video games in years. This is the most I've played probably in the past like 10 years, and it's just really fun. So and the kids and I play with my brother, and you know, it's just like fun bonding, I guess. But yeah, so I have one last item to share with you guys though that I got. And it is this beautiful Michael Kors drawstring snake printed satchel. This was $20, but it's beautiful. It's in pretty great shape. I love the little lock right here. Has a little dongle on it still, which is very important to me whenever I find these bags. The interior isn't too bad. There's like slight darkening. I'm going to try and just clean it up a little bit more. But again, $20 is such a great price, and I'll probably put this up in the shop if anyone's interested. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And with spring and summer around the corner, the snake skin, man, I love like a good faux snake print. Beautiful. So that rounds out today's video. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had fun. I still cannot believe that we found like the mug and the candlestick holder. I'm actually gonna go wash them up right now. I'm gonna go like put it in the vlog. So this is gonna be in the vlog. I'm gonna go take some pictures. It's gonna be a whole thing. So very, very excited. There's a lot of stuff to do today. But I love you guys so much. I hope you guys had fun in today's video. Don't forget to check out today's vlog. It's up at 2. And the new thrifting video goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7. I love you guys so, so much. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Now I'm looking to see if I can find any crystal, preferably Tiffany's maybe. I've had like a little bit of luck finding Tiffany stuff recently, which is so awesome. And I'm like always on the hunt now because I have 3 of those crystal Tiffany candlestick holders, and I'm like itching to add some more to the collection. So let's see what we can find here.